My neighbors are probably thinking something weird is going on, and they're right. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on the social medias, the platforms here. Still not used to these things. And you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, although they are infrequent the past month and a half due to various life things. Also, me forgetting. Also, playing a lot of Far Cry 6. It's a good game, I like it. Hi, pals. After a brief hiatus, we're back with another beater box video. This box is, again, from Sole Supremacy, at Sole Supremacy on Twitter. Give him a follow. If you like reading about how dumb eBay users are, or anything about Steph Curry and the Golden State Warriors. This box was $450 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of a nice, calm, cool, smooth $500. Never heard adjectives used for $500, except cool, maybe. Anyways, there's a counter. Its name is Clarence, because I name things. And let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Probably shoes. Did I do this wrong? No, I just can't see. Excellent. Expectations for this box. There's not going to be anything crazy in here. There might be a good amount of grade school shoes, and there's probably going to be some obscure things. But the value is still going to be there. So let's see what's going on here. There is a loose pair of shoes. This is a size. Where's the size tag? Good God. US men's 8. I think these are flight posits, maybe. I don't really know. They have kind of like a zipper thing going on. Kind of reminds me of the glove a little bit. So I don't know if this is some kind of weird combination of two different models. It's definitely a foam posit inspired, at least, model. Definitely the copper colorway that's been famous throughout the years. Outsole discoloration. It's a size 8 in a foam posit themed kind of shoe, so probably not a lot of value. But again, $450 box. This is the kind of stuff you're gonna get in here. Size US men's 8. I think it's a flight posit. I'm not 100% sure. The info will be on your screen about 20 seconds ago. Hey, if you want to buy those shoes or any of the other shoes in this box, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then you can find that website by going to sbmitch.com. They will be available for sale unless they sell on GOAT or StockX first. Back to the box. Got a beat up Nike red box. Size 9 Air Vapor Max 97. So here's these. This is like a black and volt kind of colorway. It says black volt metallic silver. Kind of like almost a silver bullet themed kind of shoe, but with this Vapor Max sole, which a lot of people will defend to the death about how comfortable they are. With a lot of Vapor Maxes, you see a good amount of drag on the outsole, which this one isn't too bad. It's just a little bit dirty. And the upper is, of course, of an Air Max 97, probably one of my least favorite silhouettes. You can see the swoosh is still inside of the insole, but it's also a size 9, so it's not a great size, but still, I've had really good luck with this model, especially when it's an OG-ish colorway or just a nice colorway like this one, so should move pretty quickly. Probably decent value, I think. Decent for a $450 box, keep in mind. Size 9, Air Vapor Max 97. Huh. That's actually not a bad shoe to get. The box has seen better days for sure. Another red Nike box. Size 9 Air Presto SE. Prestos are very comfortable. Doesn't matter because that's not what this is. This is I think these are DS. Yeah, they're DS. They're just a little discolored. I think these are Air Jordan 2010s, and I only think that because of the giant portholes on the side of these shoes. They're discolored. They're supposed to be clear, but they are discolored. I don't know the deal with this model. It came out in 2010, so it's got 11 years on it. And it's a new shoe, just a little bit of discoloration and a replacement box. There you go. What size is this? This is a size US men's 9.5. So the box was a little bit wrong. The box was completely wrong, actually. Size 9.5, dead stock, 2010, Air Jordan 2010, I think is what it's called. A little bit of a fake out, that's cool. There's a lot of shoes in here, holy cow. The rest of them look to be Jordans. Yeah, oh, and there's some kind of move to zero thing. Let's grab this, because it's right in front. We have a size US Men's 10 Air Jordan Retro 10. It should say Air Jordan 10 Retro. That's very weird. Looks to be the original box because the shoe matches. This is the Bobcats 10. Pretty decent colorway. It's not the greatest Jordan model. Not a lot of people, there's not a lot of great 10s. Chrome 10s are great. Shadow 10s are cool. You can see the outsole has some discoloration and some dirt, which I will clean up, but the discoloration is science, so I can't do much with that. Insole has pretty good wear. There's a full Jumpman in there still. And the box is in good shape. This is just one of those pairs that you might or might not like. I don't really know. The colorway is definitely current, I think. Like, these are colors that people like. I don't know why people like this like salmon color, but whatever. They have opinions and mine are terrible. Size 10, Jordan 10, Charlotte Bobcats colorway. There's a 1 in here, holy cow. Let's get that out of the way, because it's right here. Size 9, Jordan High OG Defiant. Whoa. Oh, okay. Let's replace the box. The reason I said whoa is because the colorway led me to believe that it was the SB collaboration on the New York to Paris Jordan 1s. But these are the Fearless Jordan 1s. It's a replacement box. I don't know if the size is correct. So this is a size US Men's 9. So US Men's 9, Fearless Air Jordan 1. These came out like last year or something like that. And I think it's all 3M. I could be wrong. It definitely looks iridescent when I'm like spinning it around here in my lights. Outsole's in pretty good shape. It is a clearish outsole, so it does need to be cleaned up, but there's a little bit of drag on the heel. Not much, there's a little bit of starless on the forefoot, but I mean, like any other 3M shoe, there's gonna be a bunch of creasing. The insole looks to be worn. No Jumpman or anything left, but it does have this little Fearless tag thing there. So replacement box, bit of a bummer. I thought this was gonna be the New York to Paris, but still a cool shoe. Size 9, Fearless Jordan 1s in a replacement box. A lot of replacement boxes in this. So we have a size 12.5, Jordan 11 Retro Low, not the greatest size. Cool shoe. We got a worn pair of the, when was this? I don't remember. Pretty recently, it's the Bred Lows, or the Playoff Lows. It's just a Jordan 11 Bred Playoff in a low cut shoe. It's got 23 on the back right there. These are in actually really good shape. There's not a lot of toe box creasing, mostly right there on the medial side. Minimal insole wear. Yeah, you can see a full Jumpman in there still too. Yeah, these are in good shape. I mean, not a lot of wear on the bottoms or dirt or anything. They just need a quick cleanup. And it's just such a good shoe. Even if you don't like 11 lows, this is just a really good colorway, so can't complain about that. Size 12.5 might be tough, but also might not be tough. I'm not 100% sure. I don't get a lot of 12.5s, so I can't make any judgment call on that. We do have 2 more in here. Let's grab this. Some kind of crater or like whatever release. It says, oh, it's a 9.5 women's, so 8 men's. Nike Dunk Low Next to Nature. These are DS. Interesting. These are the Move to Zero women's Dunk Low in like a sailish kind of colorway. It's just, I mean, it's one of the 5 billion dunk colorways that have come out this year, but the biggest difference with these is they are made from recycled materials. Size 9.5 women's, pretty good size, I think. Decent shoe, neutral colorway. Dunk Low, Move to Zeros. Interesting. We got one more in here. It's a Jordan box from that iconic mid-2000s, mid-2010 era. It's a Spizike. We got a size 9.5 Jordan Spizike. Black, taxi, varsity, red, white. Huh. Oh, cool. So these are worn, and these are also from like 2011 or something like that, so they do have some years on them. But I want to say these are the Kings County Spizikes. There's a lot of yellowing going on with the patent that's around the upper and on the cages, but it does have lace locks. There is some paint stuff going on the inside here and on the outside, but this is, I mean, this is a really great shoe. I don't really know much about Spizikes aside from like the obvious reasonings why they exist. Oh, and it does have this little tag thingy too, so that'll come with it. That's pretty neat. It is a size 9.5. It does need some paint help, but a very cool shoe. There you go, size 9.5, Jordan Spizike, Kings County. It's your last shoe in this $450 beater box. let me think about it. You can check out the numbers right now if you want. This is exactly what I expect in a $450 box from Sole Supremacy. There's some older stuff in here, there's some kind of obscure things, and there's not like a lot of hype beast kind of things in here, but I think this is a pretty decent box. This is probably good for like 25 to 30% return pretty quickly too. So, hey, if you want to buy any of these shoes, they're going to be cleaned up and put on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can find that website at sbmitch.com. Also, speaking of the cleaning part, if you want to save some money on your Rejuvenator order, because your Rejuvenator makes some pretty dang good cleaning stuff for sneakers, use my code SBMitch10 at checkout. It'll save you 10% off the entire order. Even though it is the holiday season, I'm sure they have some kind of like crazy deals going on, so just pay attention to that. I don't think you can combine coupon codes or anything like that, but hey, whatever. Hey, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Remember, I don't have a box next week just because I don't have one. Nothing I can do about it. But there are going to be other videos just for the heck of it, so tune in if you really want to. But until next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.